హాయ్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో 5th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ సెమిస్టర్ 2 వర్క్ బుక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 9 మెజర్మెంట్స్ వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి 14 వరకు, అట్లాగే ఇదే యూనిట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి అసెస్మెంట్ గురించి ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. 3, 4, 5 తరగతుల అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులకి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్షీట్స్, వారికి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ కోసము, అట్లాగే ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంటెంట్ ఉన్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, టీచర్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి యూజ్ఫుల్ అయినటువంటి ఆన్లైన్ అప్లికేషన్స్ కావచ్చు, అన్ని రకాల టాపిక్స్కి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ కోసము ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అట్లాగే వీడియోస్ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం మొదటి వర్క్షీట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. వర్క్షీట్ 1 సబ్ టాపిక్ లెంగ్త్. ఫిల్ ఇన్ ద బ్లాంక్స్ విత్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, నార్మల్లీ we measure the length of a book in centimeters. Number 2, the tailor measures the length of cloths in meters and centimeters. We measure the length of a wall in meters. Write objects that we use to measure in centimeters. They are eraser, pin, pencil, matchbox. Number 2, choose the correct answer and write it in the given brackets. First one, in long jump, the distance is measured in option A, meters only. To measure the height of a glass tumbler, we use option B, meters and centimeters. The length of a finger is measured in option C, centimeters only. The length of the pencil in the picture is, it indicates 9, so option B, 9 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to option B, 100 centimeters. Worksheet number 2, subtopic conversion of centimeters into millimeters and vice versa. Convert the following into millimeters. First one, 22 centimeters. So when we convert to centimeters into millimeters, we have to multiply the given number into 10. 22 into 10, 220 millimeters. 55 centimeters. 55 into 10, 550 millimeters. 90 centimeters. 90 into 10, 900 millimeters. 78 into 10, 780 millimeters. Second one, convert the following into centimeters. 110 millimeters. 110 divided by 10, 11 centimeters. 272 millimeters. 272 divided by 10, 27.2 centimeters. 80 millimeters. 80 divided by 10, 8 centimeters. 598 millimeters. 598 divided by 10, that equals to 59.8 centimeters. Estimate and fill in the blanks. The length of your pencil is 2.8 centimeters. The length of window in our school is 456 centimeters. Length of a mobile phone is 122 centimeters. Thickness of your mathematics textbook is 260 millimeters. Length of a paper clip or cloth clip is 22 centimeters or 230 millimeters. Problem number 4. Sharath measured length of a writing pad at 35 centimeters. Help him to convert 35 centimeters into millimeters. So 35 centimeters into 10 means 350 millimeters. Worksheet number 3, subtopic centimeters and millimeters. Find the sum. Problem number A, 29 centimeters plus 9 centimeters 8 millimeters. Total 38 centimeters 80 millimeters. 15 centimeters 8 millimeters plus 18 centimeters plus 3 millimeters. When we add them, these two, we will get 34 centimeters 1 millimeter. Do the following. First one, problem number A, 68 centimeters minus 37 centimeters 8 millimeter. We have to subtract the second one into first one. Then we will get the final answer is 30 centimeters 2 millimeter. Likewise, B sum 45 centimeters 7 millimeters minus 29 centimeters 5 millimeters. Then we will get after subtraction the final answer is 16 centimeters 2 millimeter. Do the following multiplication. 18 centimeters 15 millimeters into 7, and the final answer is 129 centimeters 5 millimeters. 20 centimeters 7 millimeters into 19 centimeters. After multiplication we will get the final answer 393 centimeters 30 millimeters. Worksheet number 3. Lahari found two pieces of a broken scale with the length of 12 centimeters 8 millimeters and 7 centimeters 2 millimeters. How much length of scale will it be if she joins the pieces at one end? Length of one piece of broken scale, that is 12 centimeters 8 millimeters. Length of second piece of a broken scale, that is 7 centimeters 2 millimeters. Total length of the scale. For getting total length of the scale, we have to add the broken pieces of 2. Then we will get total length of the scale, that is 30 centimeters 0 millimeters. Problem number D. Aslam purchased 80 centimeters wooden sheet to fit in a wardrobe with a length of 78 centimeters 5 millimeters. How much length of wooden sheet has to be cut off so that it can be fit in the wardrobe? Length of purchased wooden sheet, that is 80 centimeters. Length of wardrobe, that is 78 centimeters 5 millimeters. We have to subtract the length of wardrobe for getting length of purchased wooden sheet. Then we will get 1 centimeters 5 millimeters. So we have to remove 1 centimeter 5 millimeter that can be fit to the wardrobe. Worksheet number 4, subtopic meters and centimeters. Measure the height of your class students. Name of the student Ramu. Estimated height 110 centimeters. Height in centimeters 109. Height in meters 1090 meters. Somu. Estimated height 120. Height in centimeters 118. Height in millimeters 1180. Lata. Estimated height 130. Height in centimeters 122. Height in meters 1220. Endangered animals. Vani collected the measurements of some animals in meters. She wants to convert them in centimeters. Bengal tiger. Length in meters 2 meters 50 centimeters. So length in centimeters, we have to multiply with 10. Then we will get length in centimeters, that is 250 centimeters. African rhino 3 meters 8 centimeters. Length in centimeters 380 centimeters. White dolphin 2 meters 35 centimeters. Length in centimeters 235 centimeters. Mountain gorillas 1 meter 75 centimeters. Length in centimeters 175 centimeters. Sea turtle 0 meters 85 centimeters and length in centimeters 80 centimeters. Problem number 3. Sumati is 15 centimeter taller than her brother Nandu, who is 1 meter 45 centimeter height. What is the height of Sumati? Height of Nandu 1 meter 45 centimeters. Sumati is taller than her brother. Means Sumati height 15 meters. Height of Sumati. For getting height of Sumati, we have to subtract the height of Nandu from Sumati. That is 1 meter 60 centimeters. Worksheet number 5, subtopic meters. Observe the picture and answer the questions. Here some students houses and the distance are given. Based on the above pictures, questions are asking about the above pictures. Question number 1. Whose house is nearer to school? Ashu's house or Vijaya's house? Ashu's house, that is 200 plus 200 plus 2000 equals to 6 meters. Sorry, 600 meters. Find the distance between Ashu's house and Vijay's house. Distance between Ashu's house and Vijaya's house, 600 meters. Which way is nearer to school? To Ashu's, Temple Road or Hospital Road? Hospital Road is nearer to school to Ashu. Problem number D. How much distance Ashu has to cover to reach school via Temple Road? Is it equal to 1 kilometer? Yes. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometers. Problem number 2. Resina used 2 meters cloth for a table. How many meters of cloth she needed for 4 tables? Length of cloth required for a table, that is 2 meters. Total cloth required for 4 tables. For getting total cloth required for 4 tables, we have to multiply length required for a table and number of tables, means 4 into 2 meters, 8 meters. Total cloth required for 4 tables, that is 8 meters. Problem number 3. Ramaraju can swim 100 meters distance in 2 minutes. How much distance can he cover in 10 minutes? Distance covered in 2 minutes, that is 100 meters. Distance covered in 10 minutes, 10 into 100, 1000 meters, that equals to 1 kilometers. Therefore, Ramaraju can cover in 10 minutes 1 kilometer. Worksheet number 6, subtopic meters and kilometers convert into kilometers. First one, 1680 meters, that is 1 kilometer 680 meters. 2000 meters equals to 2 kilometers. 3500 meters equals to 3 kilometers 500 meters. 8080 meters, 8 kilometers 80 meters. Problem number 2. Safia used 2 meters 50 centimeters red ribbon cloth and 3 meters 65 centimeters green ribbon cloth to make a flower. Find the total length of ribbon cloth she used to make the flower. Length of red ribbon cloth utilized, that is 2 meters 50 centimeters. Length of green ribbon cloth utilized, 3 meters 65 centimeters. For getting total length of ribbon cloth she used, we have to add length of red ribbon and length of green ribbon. That is, total length of ribbon cloth she used 6 meters 15 centimeters. Worksheet number 6, problem number 3. Ramu travels 15 km by bus, 2 km by auto and 1.5 km on foot to reach the factory. How much distance has he travelled to come to factory? Distance travelled by bus by Ramu 15 kilometers. Distance travelled by auto 2 kilometers. Distance travelled on foot 1.5. For getting total distance, we have to add the above 3. Then we will get total distance travelled by Ramu 18.5 kilometers. Problem number 4. A roll of electric wire contains 75 meters of wire. If 25 meters 80 centimeters is used, how much wire is left in the roll? Roll of electric wire 75 meters. Length of used electric wire 75 meters 80 centimeters. For getting length of remaining wire, we have to subtract the length of used electric wire from the total electric wire. Then we will get length of remaining wire, that is 49 meters 20 centimeters. Worksheet number 7, subtopic meters and kilometers. Problem number 1. The distance between two villages is 25.5 kilometers. Raju reached the 15.2 kilometer milestone. What distance is yet to be covered by Raju? Distance between two villages, that is 25.5 kilometers. Raju covered distance 15.2 kilometers. Required distance yet to cover. For getting a required distance, we have to subtract distance covered by Raju, that is 15.2 from distance between two villages 25.5. Then we will get 10.3, means required distance yet to cover, that is 10.3 kilometers. Problem number 2. Yashpal climbed 4 kilometers 400 meters of 7 kilometers height mountain. How much height he still has to climb? Actual height of mountain, that is 7 kilometers. Yashpal climbed height 4 kilometers 400 meters. Required height to still he has to climb. For getting required, we have to subtract climbed height by Yashpal from the total height of the mountain. Then we will get 2 kilometers 600 meters. Means required height still to climb, that is 2 kilometers 600 meters. Problem number 3. A cloth seller bought 150 meters of shouting cloth roll for sale. In the festive season, he sold 142.5 meters cloth. What is the length of the cloth? Actual length of the cloth roll, that is 150 meters. Length of cloth sold 142.5. The length of the cloth, we have to subtract the length of cloth sold from the actual length of the cloth roll. Then we will get 7.5 meters. Problem number 4. A car can run 60 kilometers per hour. How much distance can it cover in 5 hours? Speed of car per hour, that is 60 kilometers. Distance covers in 5 hours. 5 into 60, 300 kilometers. Worksheet number 8. Subtopic meters and kilometers. Problem number 1. A dove can cover 20 kilometer distance in 1 hour. How much distance can it cover in 8 hours? Distance covered by dove in 1 hour, that is 20 kilometers. Distance covered by dove in 8 hours. 8 into 20, 160 kilometers. So, distance covered by dove in 8 hours, 160 kilometers. Problem number 2. Anjaya planted 36 mango trees in a row with a distance of 2 meters between two plants. How much distance did the trees cover in the row? Distance between two plants, that is 2 meters. Number of trees planted 36. Total distance covered in the row 36 into 2, that is 72 centimeters. Problem number 3. In 8 days, Prasad travelled a distance of 2640 kilometers in a summer trip. Find the average distance he covered per day. Distance travelled by Prasad 2640 kilometers. Number of days travelled, that is 8. For getting average distance, we have to divide the number of days, total distance travelled by Prasad, that is 2640 kilometers divided by 80. Average distance he covered per day, that is 330 kilometers. Problem number 4. Naresh used 4200 meters of electric wire roll for 3 similar flats in an apartment. How much wire did he use for one flat? One flat. Total length of wire used 4200 meters. Number of flats 3. Length of wire used per one flat. 4200 divided by 3, that is 1400 meters. So 1400 meters of wire used per one flat. Worksheet number 9. Subtopic kilogram and grams. A cabbage weighs 1 kg 500 grams. Express the weight of cabbage in grams. Weight of a cabbage, that is 1 kg 500 grams in grams. 1 kg means 1000 grams. 1000 plus 500, 1500 grams. Problem number 2. Pochamma collected a bag of coffee beans weights 2540 grams. When she wants to sell it, the buyer measured it in kilograms. How much would it be in kgs and grams? Weight of a bag 2540 grams in kgs. For getting kgs, we have to divide the grams by 1000. 2540 divided by 1000 in kgs, 2.54 kgs. Problem number 3. Which unit we use to measure the weight of an elephant? We can use quintals or kgs. Problem number 4. 450 kgs 500 grams and 520 kgs 700 grams. Weight of jaggery unloaded from a truck containing 1000 kgs means 1 ton for 2 shops. How much jaggery does still remains in the truck? Weight of unloaded jaggery 450 minus 500 plus 520 minus 700, that is 971 kgs 200 grams. Capacity of truck, that is 1 ton means 1000 kgs. Weight of jaggery in remains in the truck. We have to subtract 971 kgs 200 from 1 ton, that is 1000 kgs, and the remaining is 28 kgs 800 grams. Worksheet number 10, subtopic kilogram and gram. Kumar collects old newspapers. He collected 25 kgs 500 grams, 18 kgs 200 grams and 35 kgs newspapers in 3 days respectively. How much weight of newspapers did he collect? Weight of collected papers on first day 25 kgs 500 grams. Weight of papers collected on second day 18 kgs 200 grams. Weight of collected papers on third day 35 kgs. For getting total weight, we have to add all 3 days. Total weight of collected papers 78 kgs 700 grams. Salome bought the 3 kg 500 grams carrots, 2 kg 250 grams beans and 2 kg tomatoes from market. What was the total weight of vegetables bought by Salome? Weight of carrots bought 3 kgs 500 grams. Weight of beans bought 2 kgs 250 grams. Weight of tomatoes bought 2 kgs. For getting total weight, we have to add all the above vegetables bought by Salome. Then we will get a total weight of vegetables, that is 7 kgs 750 grams. Worksheet number 10, problem number 3. Government provided 5 kg of rice, 3 kg of wheat, 1 kg of dal and 500 gram of sugar to the white card holders on the occasion of Ramjan. What was the total quantity of the grocery items? Weight of rice provided 5 kgs. Weight of wheat provided 3 kgs. Weight of dal provided 1 kg 500 grams. Total quantity of the grocery items, we have to add all the above grocery items, then we will get a final total quantity, that is 9 kgs 500 grams. Problem number 4. In a school, 24 kgs 450 grams of rice is used to cook from 50 kg rice packet. How much rice is left in the packet? Total weight of packet 50 kgs. Weight of rice used to cook 24 kgs 450 grams. Weight of rice left in the packet. For getting total weight left in the packet, we have to subtract the weight of rice used to cook. Then we will get 25 kgs 550 grams. Means total weight of rice left in the packet 25 kgs 550 grams. Worksheet number 11, subtopic kilogram and gram. 15 kgs cake is distributed among students equally in a class. If there are 25 members in the class, how much weight of cake will each one get? Number of students in the class, that is 25. Weight of cake distributed 5 kgs 5000 grams. 5 kgs means that equal to 5000 grams. Weight of cake each one get. For getting each one cake's piece, we have to divide total weight by total number of students. Means 5000 divided by 25, 200 grams. Means each one student get 200 grams cake piece. Rajni prepared a laddu weighing 30 grams. Find the weight of 25 laddus. Weight of a laddu means weight of one laddu, that is 30 grams. Number of laddus 25. Total weight of 25 laddus means 30 into 25, 750 grams. A bundle of 15 books weighs 27 kg. Find the weight of one book. Weight of books 27 kg. Number of books 15. Weight of each book. For getting weight of each book, we have to divide it by weight of books by number of books. That is 1.8 grams. 1 kg 800 grams. Problem number 4. Gauraya's tamarind trees yield 240 kg of tamarind. He filled the tamarind in 8 bags. What would be the weight of each bag? Total weight of tamarind yield per year 240 kg. Number of bags filled, that is 8. Weight of each bag 240 divided by 80, that is 30 kg. Weight of each bag 30 kg. Worksheet number 12, subtopic liters and milliliters. Convert the following as suggested. 900 milliliters into liters. 980 divided by 1000, that is 0.98 liters. 7960 milliliters into liters. For getting liters, we have to divide it by the milliliters with 1000, that is 7.96 liters. Do the following. 37 liters 380 milliliters plus 12 liters 460 milliliters. 49 liters 840 milliliters. 14 liters 460 milliliters. 2 liters 590 milliliters. Total liters 17 liters 50 milliliters. Do the following. Subtraction. Total liters 58, milliliters 250. Total liters 9, milliliters 460. 67 milliliters 710. 67 liters 710 milliliters. 89 liters 820 milliliters. 29 liters 450 milliliters. Total liters 119, 270 milliliters. Do the following. 49 liters 125 milliliters into 13. 638 liters 625 milliliters. 25 liters 200 milliliters into 24. 652 liters 800 milliliters. 24 liters 900 milliliters divided by 15, that is 1 liter 66 milliliters. 4808 liters divided by 8, that is 601 liter. Worksheet number 13, subtopic liters and milliliters. Anu used 200 milliliter of dishwash from 1 liter packet. How much dishwash is left in the packet? Quantity of dishwash packet, that is 1 liter, means 1000 milliliters. Quantity of dishwash used 220 milliliters. Quantity of dishwash left in the packet. We have to subtract dishwash used by Anu for the dishwash packet. 1000 minus 220. Quantity of dishwash left in the packet, that is 780 milliliters. Problem number 2. Purnaya's family buys 2 liters of milk every day. They use 750 ml of milk to make curd. How much milk is consumed by the family for other purposes? Quantity of milk buys every day, that is 2000 milliliters, means 2 liters. Quantity of milk to make curd 750 milliliters. Milk consumed by the family for the purposes. 2000 milliliters minus 750, that is 1250 milliliters or 1.25 liters. Problem number 3. Reddamma sold 25 liters, 200 milliliters, 15 liters, 500 milliliters, and 9 liters, 750 milliliters of milk in 3 successive days. How many liters of milk did she sell in all 3 days? For getting total milk sold by Reddamma, we have to add milk sold by Reddamma for all 3 days. First day, second day, third day. Total milk sold by Reddamma for all 3 days, that is 50 liters, 150 milliliters. Problem number 4. Yadaya has 2 cows. Each cow gives 5 liters of milk a day. How many liters do the cows give for 1 month? Number of cows 2. Quantity of milk gives 5 liters. Total milk cows gives per month 2 into 5 into means number of cows. Quantity of milk gives 5 liters for 30 days means 300 liters. Worksheet number 14. Subtopic length, weight and capacity. Fill in the blanks. First one. The basic unit of capacity is liter, milliliter. We can write 7 meters 25 centimeters as 775 centimeters. Mm stands for millimeter. My water bottle capacity is 250 milliliters. Match the following. First one. Pencil nib millimeter, gold ring grams, syrup in a tablespoon milliliters, water bottle liters, rice packet kgs, door length meters, distance between two cities kilometers, hand span centimeters. Short answer questions. Question number 1. Which weight is heavier, 35 kgs or 30 kgs 500 grams? 35 kgs is heavier. Which measurement is smaller, 16 kilometers or 600 meters? For smaller is 600 meters. Which unit is 1 by 100th of a meter? That is centimeter. Measurements, assessment. Convert the following as suggested. 20 centimeters into millimeters, that is 2800 centimeters. 85 kgs into grams, 85 into 1000, 85,000 grams. 2500 milliliters into liters means 2.5 liters. 18 kilometers into meters, 18 into 1000, that is 18,000 meters. 120 meters into centimeters, 120 into 100, that is 12,000 centimeters. Match the following. 1 centimeter, option B, 1 liter. Next, 1 kg, option E, means 1000 kgs. 100 centimeters, option A, 100 grams. Next, 1 ton, means 1000 kgs. 100 milliliters, means 1 liter. Fill in the blanks. 1 quintal equals to 100 kg. Milli means 1 by 10th of a gram. 1 by 2 kilometers means 1000 by 2, that is 500 meters. The distance between two cities is measured in kilometers, means kilometer. Identify and write whether the statements are true or false. To convert from lower measurement to higher measurement, we have to use division. False. 2 meters 9 centimeters can be written as 29 centimeters. False. We can measure both millimeters and centimeters by using a scale. True. My school bag weighs 3.5 grams. False. For 250 milliliters packets of milk is equal to 1 liter, means 250. 4 into 250, that is 1 liter. True. Problem number 5. Do the following. 25 kilometers 500 meters plus 18 kilometers 45 meters, that is 43 kilometers 950 meters. 750 kgs 250 grams minus 649 kgs 850 grams. that is 1399 kgs, 3305 grams, grams అని ఉండాలి. C 90 liters 250 milliliters into 25, that is 2256 liters 25 milliliters. 124 liters divided by 4 liters, that is 31 liters. Solve the problems. Suguna used 12 meters, 50 centimeters and 19 meters bamboo sticks from 40 meters length of a bamboo stick to make sieve and basket. Find the length of unused bamboo stick. Total used bamboo stick 12 meters 50 centimeters plus 9 meters 31 centimeters plus 9 meters, total 31 meters 50 centimeters. Total length of bamboo stick 40 meters. Length of unused bamboo stick, that is, for getting length of unused bamboo stick we have to subtract total used bamboo stick from total length of bamboo stick. 40 meters minus 31 meters 50 centimeters, 8 meters 50 centimeters. Chandraya sells 1 kilo iron for 48 rupees. How much amount will he earn by selling 250 kilos of iron? Selling price of 1 kg iron, that is rupees 48. Selling price of 2050 kilos of iron. 250 into 48, that is 12,000 rupees. Selling price of 250 kilos of iron, rupees 12,000. Gopal earned rupees 15,000 by selling 1 liter milk for rupees 40. How many liters of milk did he sell? Cost of 1 liter milk rupees 40. Total earned amount 15,000. Number of liters of milk he sold 1500 divided by 40, that is 375 liters. Number of liters milk sold by Gopal 375 liters. ఇది మనకి 5th క్లాస్ యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 9 అనేటువంటి మెజర్మెంట్స్ వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి వర్క్షీట్ 14 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వివరణ, అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వివరణ. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుందని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే ఈ వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకొక మంచి వీడియోలో ఇంకొక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.